Here we have a completely different piece of metal because it's bare. And there's a different way and a different process for that.
There sure is, TJ. I'm glad you brought that up. For bare metal, it's gonna take two different types of primers. The first one is a self-etching primer that's gonna bite into the metal substrate, and the second one is a primer sealer so that you can actually smooth that flat and get ready for your top coats later.
Great, let's do it.
Let's do it.
First things first, we need to mask everything that we don't want primed. Here you go.
Let's do it. The next thing we need to do is apply a self-etching primer onto the raw metal. But first, we need to shake the can vigorously. When applying a self-etching primer, we need to make sure we keep the can upright and about 10 to 12 inches from the surface and always work in a back and forth motion, just like this.
Beautiful. What's next?
We're gonna wait 10 minutes for this to dry, and then we're gonna apply our primer sealer on top of that.
Sweet. It's been about 10 minutes. It's ready to go.
Excellent, so we can move on to the next stage, which is our primer sealer. But first, you wanna make sure you shake the can vigorously. When priming the primer sealer, you wanna make sure you keep the can upright, and just like the other one, 10 to 12 inches from the surface, and always work in a back and forth motion, just like this. And that's about it. Now we have to wait about 4 hours before sanding in order to prep for our top coat.
This looks awesome.
For more information on this product and other primers, go to Rust-Oleum.com/automotive. Till next time.
Right on.